have a family, 'cause you see the world with brand new eyes at Christmas, at Christmas.
The beauty of a beehive,
The mystery of a cave,
the magic of a snowflake,
the power of a wave, the rushing of the wind,
the cuteness of a chickadee, the warm and happy feeling between you and me.
Come see it on the mountain, come see it at the sea. Open up your eyes, come see it all with me. Come see the world with brand new eyes. Come see the world with brand new eyes. On Christmas, on Christmas, on Christmas.
Every day on PBS Kids.
You're getting smarter, stronger, kinder. On Sesame Street, on Sesame Street.
Sesame Street, streaming free on PBS Kids.
PBS Kids wants to know, what do you love about the holidays?
I love all the lights. I love parties. And all the different kinds of decorations. And I love exchanging presents. This one's for you. Ooh. I love getting to spend it with my family. Cheese.
Celebrate everything you love about the holidays with all your friends. All in one place, streaming now, free on PBS Kids.
Major funding for NatureCat is provided by the Van Akron family, founders of Lando Frost, supporting over 12,000 youth sports teams across the country. And by the Hamill Family Foundation, the Siegel Family Foundation. Additional support is provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, Koch brothers Foundation, Sage Foundation, Philip F. Schock Charitable Trust. Major funding for A Nature Carol is provided by the Granger Foundation. NatureCat is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions from viewers like you. Thank you.
Through the woods. A snowy morning. Do you think it snowed in the woods too?
I think so, Ryder.
What about at Grammy's? Do you think it snowed over there?
Bet it did, buddy.
I can't wait to see. Come on, Wolfie.
Hang on. Don't forget these.
And don't forget the...
Got it. Love you. Whoa! I don't think we're in our woods anymore, Wolfie. I think we're in a new place. A snowy place. And it's called Winterlandia. Hiya, squirrel. There are squirrels in Winterlandia, just like at home. Look, paw prints. Look, Wolfie, this Winterlandia bird made footprints too. They look different than the squirrels. And yours look different from the birds. And mine look different from yours. Huh. There's more. I wonder what animals made these footprints. One of them has a footprint that's bigger than yours, Wolfie. Do you think that means the animal is bigger than you? Could it be a lion? Or a tiger? Or maybe a snow leopard? Come on, let's Let's find out. Whoa. It was them. They made the footprints. Whoa. Let's go tell Grammy what we saw in Winterlandia.
Hello, my rider.
Grammy, we just saw deer.
You did?
Yes, and they were in the snow, and there were 3 of them, and it was amazing. They looked at me.
That is something very, very special to see, Ryder. You and Wolfie must have been very quiet.
We were. I think it was a mama and her babies, or maybe a daddy and his babies.
Did the grown-up one have antlers on its head?
No antlers.
Then I think it was a mama and her babies.
Oh, Dad said I should give you this. What is it anyway?
It's cocoa for hot chocolate. Would you like some?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me more about what you saw in the woods.
Did you know that firearms are the #1 cause of death in children and teens in Louisiana? 77% of unintentional shootings by children take place inside the home, and 80% of child gun suicides involve a gun belonging to a family member. So what can you do to keep kids safe? Be a responsible gun owner. Safely secure your weapon, unloaded and locked with ammunition stored separately always. If your child visits another home, don't be afraid to ask about guns in the home. It can't hurt. And practice with children what to do if they see a firearm. Stop, don't touch, run away, and tell a grown-up.
LPB's One to Grow On is underwritten by Our Lady of the Lake Children's Health, believing in Louisiana's children.
You're watching LPB.
Eleanor Wonders Why is made possible in part by...
When you ask why, finding the answer is always an adventure. ABC Mouse, helping to pave the way for discovery, is a proud sponsor of Eleanor Wonders Why.
This holiday season, it's gonna be busy. It's gonna be emotional, but it's gonna be worth it. McCormick, proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
And by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Wherever I go, I see things that I want to know. Wherever